Hello friends, my name is Shankar I am studying in B.Sc third year Adarsh College, Hingoli. So friends, welcome to the online seminar. I represent to you the basic concepts of the numerical analysis introduction part. The definition, argument, entry and interval of differencing. So friends, start the explanation of the introduction part. The operator delta, consider a function y is equal to f of x. Consider a consecutive values of x differing by h. A comma a plus h comma a plus 2h comma a plus 3h comma a plus 4h comma dash dash dash. The corresponding value of f of x are the differences f of a comma f of a plus h comma f of a plus 2h comma f of a plus 3h comma f of a plus 4h dash 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 etc. The definition of argument, the values of the independent variable is called the argument, and the definition of entry, the value of the dependent variable, that argument is called the entry. Definition of interval of differencing. What is interval of differencing? The difference between the consecutive values of the independent variable is called the interval of differencing. So friends, argument, entry and interval of differencing. The differences, first differences, second differences, third differences and fourth differences. What is first differences? The differences f of a plus h minus f of a comma f of a plus 2h minus f of a plus h comma f of a plus 3h minus f of a plus 2h etc. are called the first differences of the function y is equal to f of x. First difference is denoted by delta f of a, comma delta f of a plus h, comma delta f of a plus 2h, etc. The value of first difference is delta f of a plus h, delta f of a plus 2h. Delta f of a is equal to f of a plus h minus f of a. Delta f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus 2h minus f of a plus h. Delta f of a plus 2h is equal to f of a plus 3h minus f of a plus 2h, etc. The differences of these first differences are called the second differences. The denoted by second differences delta square f of a, comma delta square f of a plus h, comma delta square f of a plus 2h, etc. The value of delta square f of a is equal to delta f of a plus h minus delta f of a is equal to f of a plus 2h minus 2f of a plus h plus f of a. Delta square f of a plus h is equal to delta f of a plus 2h minus delta f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus 3h minus 2f of a plus 2h plus f of a plus h, etc. The differences of these second differences are called third differences. Third differences denoted by delta cube f of a, comma delta cube f of a plus h, comma delta cube f of a plus 2h dash dash, etc. We have the value of delta cube f of a. Delta cube f of a is equal to delta square f of a plus h minus delta square f of a is equal to f of a plus 3h minus 3f of a plus 2h plus 3f of a plus h minus f of a dash dash and so on. Thus, delta raised to f of a is equal to delta raised to n minus 1 f of a plus h minus delta raised to n minus 1 f of a dash dash, etc. These first differences are shown in the following table called the difference table. So friends, difference table, argument, entry, first difference, second difference, third difference and fourth difference. Argument a plus h, a plus 2h, a plus 3h, a plus 4h. Entry f of a plus h, f of a plus 2h, f of a plus 3h, f of a plus 4h. First difference, find the first difference. The entry, first entry and second entry difference is called first difference, and second and third entry difference is called first difference. So friends, our differences for four difference delta raised to 4 f of a. The remark what is first remark, f of a, the first entry is term as the leading term, and the differences delta f of a, comma delta square f of a, comma delta cube f of a are known as leading differences. Also delta raised to 0 is equal to 1. Second remark, delta is not a quantity but a symbol for an operation. Delta is not a quantity but a symbol for an operation. Thus delta square does not represent the square of a quantity but denotes the repetition of the operator. denotes the repetition of the operator. Delta square is equal to delta of delta. Third remark, the operator delta is called the forward or descending difference operator. It should be noted that delta f of a is not equal to delta f of a into delta. So friends,